leftover rotis, you're wondering what you should do with it. So today we are going to make Rotli Nu Shaak, which is a Gujarati speciality which I've been eating since my childhood from leftover rotis. So without any further ado, let's make your kitchen your family's favorite restaurant by making Rotli Nu Shaak from leftover roti. Also guys, if you do like my recipes, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon, which is equally important, so you get notifications each time I upload a new recipe, and it's free, so why wait? Now let's proceed. Okay guys, so you're going to need about 10 of these fulka or roti or chapatis. Now as you see, my chapati is like really thin and small, but if yours is like fat and big, then you're going to need less quantity of the rotis. Then you're also going to need 2/3 cup of dahi, which is curd. Has to be a little bit on the sour side. If it's not, just add a little bit of lime juice. 3 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, which is haldi powder, half teaspoon of dhania jeera powder, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, which is rye, 1/4 teaspoon of methi dana, which is fenugreek seeds, 3 cups of water, some oil and salt, and that is about it. So now let's begin our process.
So guys, the very first step is to break the roti roughly into bite-sized pieces. So I'm just going to fold the roti, tear it up, then double it up, and again tear it into pieces. And we are going to do the same for the rest of the rotis. Once all of the rotis are torn, then let's keep them aside. And now in a big bowl, add all of the curd, which is dahi. And to that, we're going to add all of the water. And I'm going to use a balloon whisk and mix it all in. Basically, we are just making buttermilk. The only difference is that this is very watery. Now to this buttermilk, let's add the dhania jeera powder, which is coriander cumin powder, followed by turmeric, which is haldi, and the salt, and mix it all in again. And once mixed, let's keep it aside just for now. And now guys, as you can see, I've taken a big kadhai, and to this I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of oil. And once hot, I'm going to add the methi dana, which is fenugreek seeds, and wait till they change color, which should take about 30 seconds or so. And then I'm going to add the mustard seeds, which is rye, followed by hing, which is asafoetida, and Kashmiri red chili powder. And then immediately I'm going to add the buttermilk, which we had kept aside. And now guys, let's start stirring it in on high flame till you see the gravy has started boiling. Once it starts boiling, then we are going to add the torn roti pieces and give it a gentle mix. And now let's just cook it for the next 1 minute.
So guys, 2 things about this dish. If you feel that the gravy is too watery, don't worry. The gravy will thicken as soon as it cools down, even just a little bit. And second, these rotis that I'm using are very thin, so I cook them just for a minute. But if you're using rotis which are thick, then guys, just cook it for 1 more extra minute, like just for 2 minutes.
And guys, our dish is ready to serve. So let's remove it in a serving bowl.
And guys, it is just absolutely delicious. I'm telling you, sometimes I make extra rotis in the night so I can have this for breakfast in the morning. I do hope you make this. Do let me know your experience. And if you do like my recipes, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. Do it right now. Do it right here, right now. And if you like this recipe, you're definitely going to like this one as well as this one. So don't forget to click on these links, and I will see you very, very soon. Meanwhile, take care. Bye-bye.